Hey guys, what's going on? We have a car here working on it. It's a BMW 2005 3 Series, and we're doing all key loss. So in this car, the BMW required to take off the EWS is located under the dash. See this panel here? Take it off. So there's one screw here, one here, that was already broken, and one clips right here. Is this one the clips? And inside it will be this. So you just pull this one off and then pull this one off. And on the bottom, if you see this, the white box, that one, you need to take it off in order to do the program. You cannot do it by the OBD. So it has two bolts, one here, which is you just need to move this one, only this one, and you take this one off. You don't have to remove the other one. Alright, let me take it off. Alright, got it off. The connector, you just press, there's something here, press it will come out. But before you disconnect this one, you disconnect the batteries on the trunk. It's right here. Just disconnect one, and then I'm gonna do with the Xhorse Plus tablet, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna solder it and we pull out the EEPROM. Alright guys, now we need our tablet and we need the soldering machine. There is two ways to do it. It's either you solder it with a cable, or there is an adapter, which is I don't have it. The adapter very easy, but today we're just gonna do the soldering. And you need the solder kit, which is you buy this one from Amazon. It's like how much? $25. It's very handy. And we need our software. So this one always need internet. Alright, now we are here, and let's update. So we need the Key Tool Plus, and this adapter, when you buy the Key Tool Plus, it will come with it, MCU cable. And let me show you actually how to. Alright, before we go there, so this one, if you see here the name EWS3, and there is EWS4. So just make sure you read the correct one. So from here we go to let's exit. From the main we go programming, and then we go IMMO, and then we go BMW, and then here you gotta choose the module, which is we have EWS3, which is this one, and you have also EWS4. They look same, but the inside is different. So we choose the first one, and here if you have adapter, you just click adapter. If you have a wiring, which is what I'm gonna do, which is a wire, and it's gonna give you the diagram and those cables, MCU cable V1 and MCU cable. The one always they sell it with was this one. So we already have the right one, and here just gonna show you where you're gonna solder it. You see this one on the back and this one on the front. On the front you need just one cable, but most of them is on the back. If you see, connect those, and this one on the front. After you connect them, just click read. You read it, save it, you exit from here. And this one, to open it, you press here, and you press on the back too, and you open the cover. Alright, just open like this, and now you have to take this one off. You see there is 4 clips, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Press all of them together and you push it, it will come out. Here we go, this is how it looks like. And so now, before you do anything, start soldering, just make sure you check those pins and you clean them out right here. So you start with this one, which is this one. You clean them out first and then you solder them, because they have something like glue or something on it. Alright, let me solder them and I will show you how it look like. Alright guys, so these soldered, and just one, the green one, if you see here green, just on this chip, the big one, just one line, which is just right here. You see here where it say dot 1 2 3 4 5, it's just right here, the first one. Then you flip it. Alright, let me flip it. Just make sure you solder it right. So here, the green right here, red, orange, and you have the yellow, you have the blue, you have brown, and yeah, that's technically it's really easy, not complicated. If you want to practice before you do this, you just grab one, go to junkyard and grab one from junkyard and just practice, do it. Or if you want, use the adapter. Alright, now this one we gotta hook up with the tool. Alright, hook up it right here. Alright, so what we did, you cannot just connect this one directly here, you need this cable and the key tool plus, and this also usually come with the tool. Now you just make sure all of them connect right, nothing disconnects by accident, and you just click now, click OK, and now you click just read, and you gotta click EEPROM, start. Make sure your wire harness chip connected, press continue. Alright. Alright, perfect. So what you gotta do here, you gotta just save it, save the name, and you have the date here, 26/2/25. Alright, I don't need to change anything. Click save. Alright, get done from here. Now you disconnect it, you don't need it anymore. Alright, now what we do, we just exit all the way out, and then we go to IMMO programming. We need to look for BMW, and then select from system, and then you go down to EWS, IMMO system, and then you click on the prepare DR key, EEPROM. Click start, and we have the EWS3. Click OK, and you look for it. I think that I save it right here. See, yeah, that one. This is the date. Alright, click OK. Click yes. So here, it's gonna show you if you all the slide. It has 10 slide of the keys, and if you see here say used, that means already program a key here. You need not used, so you have 4. Alright, I usually choose always the last one. So please put the new key in the device. So you just put the key right here. Alright, and then you click. Alright, okay. I didn't cut the key yet, and I have to use the Lishi for it. And so make dealer success, and the Lishi is the one, HU92. It's not hard and not easy, but you need to be very gentle, sensitive. Alright, let me go cut the key and I'll be back. Before I do the cut the key, you have to desolder this one because you don't need it anymore, and put it back in the car. Alright guys, I got the code, and now let's put it on the machine. Let me show you how. If you are using the XC-Mini Plus, this one always required to connect it to the wire. It doesn't have a battery. If you're looking to get the battery, is the Dolphin. It's battery. So let's go to automotive. Here, since we're doing all key loss, but we have the bidding from the Lishi, we're not gonna click on all key loss. All key loss only if you have the 5-digit. And we're gonna go to branding. We're gonna go to Europe. We're gonna go to BM, and we're gonna go to 300 something. I believe this one. Alright. So it's gonna be this one, HU92R. We're gonna put our code right here, 222 444 31. Before you click cut, you just go advanced setting, advanced cutting, and click find pinning, just to make sure this code is correct. If you see here pop up, that means there is a data on the, I don't know, the dealer somewhere. But if you show no data, don't cut it. Just read it again. Alright, now you just highlight it, click cut. And for that, you have to put the key in. Let me put it. Alright, before I cut it, just when you click on the key, click cut, it will show you here which clamp you're gonna use. You see here M5B clamp, which is gonna be this one, M5, and the B clamp. I'm gonna tell you, put it on the 2, on the slide number 2, which is this one, 1 and 2. Alright guys, just like this, you tighten it. Now, close this one, and you click cut. And now it's gonna ask you the recommending cutting. If you are using with the cutter 1.5, well, look like didn't ask. Alright, just make sure after this side finish, you have to flip it again and cut it. Alright guys, so I already cut it, and now I'm testing out the key. Perfect. Now the key start the car. The first time when it started, it will not start, just take it out and put it back again, and it will do that. And now the key, the chip are programmed perfect. Now we need to program the control. To program the control actually very easy, but I need to hint. So what you gotta do first, you put the key in, you just turn it the first click, do not to turn the ignition on. First click, that's it, and you take it out, and then I think you hold the first button, this one you keep hold it, and you press this one 3 times. You see? If you hear the lock and unlock by itself, that means program. So you hold this one, you hold this button, the unlock, and then you press this one 3 times. And now alright, the job is done. Try it again. Car is running and you have no issues. Alright guys, if you need help, please let me know.